Hey there, pocket knife fans. I get confused when I do these videos because sometimes I do sports card fans, sometimes I do hey there YouTubers, sometimes I do hey there pocket knife fans, and well, anyway, hey there pocket knife fans. So this one is a Swiss Army Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and I I got it a while ago, and I never ended up doing a video for it, so I don't really remember what kind it is. So maybe somebody could help me with that. I might have the box somewhere. I'm not sure. If I find it before I upload this video, I will change the title so that it reflects that. If not, then you'll just get, I don't know what it is. Okay, so, but anyway, got typical long blade, short blade, saw, scissors, pliers, and this is the main reason I got it, because the other Swiss Army knife that I had down here in Florida, actually I brought my entire knife collection down here now, but for a while I only had one or two, and it's a Phillips head screwdriver that I specifically needed. Magnifying glass. Then we've got a flathead screwdriver and bottle opener, can opener. I can never remember which one's which. Oh wait, one of these is bottle opener and one of these is can opener. This one's can opener. That one must be bottle opener. And hold on. There we go. We've got, of course, toothpick and little tiny tweezers. Corkscrew, a tiny little screwdriver, flathead, for like glasses. This thingy, which I forget what it is, so if someone can tell me what that is, that'd be awesome. And I forget what this is also. Why are you even watching this video? I don't know anything about these things. I want to say it's got something to do with wire, but I'm probably wrong. And then last but not least, this thingy with the hole in it. It would be really great if I could find the instruction booklet that came with this. Any hoodle doodle. There we go. Oh, it has a kind of nice wooden handle. And that's everything for that one. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.